The most brutal kind of car accident is without a doubt head-on collision, with most incidents resulting in serious injury and massive damage. When two cars traveling in opposite directions collide, the impact force is fatal as the relative speed of the cars is doubled. For instance, if two vehicles collide head-on and both are traveling at 50 miles per hour, the total impact force is 100 miles per hour. Even at fairly low speeds, head-on collisions can have severe repercussions. The law of comparative negligence comes into play when determining who is at fault in a road accident. Whether it's in the insurance claim process or court, the comparative negligence law states that the driver can receive a settlement for damages if they were less than 50% responsible for the incident. Fact finders, including insurance investigators, juries, and judges, will assess all the evidence surrounding the case and determine the party at fault. An individual is deemed negligent when they fail to be as cautious as a reasonable individual would in such a situation. If you have been involved in a head-on collision in Cincinnati, Ohio, and think you deserve compensation for the accident, the insurance investigator will go through the driver's statements, inspect the cars, read the police report, and even visit the accident scene to gain a proper comprehension of what occurred. If they conclude that your negligence is to blame, then you won't get any compensation and your claim will be dismissed. With an experienced Cincinnati head-on collision lawyer by your side, you have higher chances of convincing either the insurance company or the court that you were not to blame for the accident. A skilled lawyer in Cincinnati, Ohio will garner all the necessary evidence and present it clearly to the insurance provider. If they try to deny the claim, then your legal representative will negotiate to get the best deal possible, and even if that fails, they can take the case to court. Our team of lawyers have extensive knowledge and experience with the insurance claims process and will be able to handle your case promptly and successfully. So if you have sustained an injury in a head-on collision, don't hesitate to call our office today.